Giki ni gicukiro kia meri kia Lamu kuria Mihang'o ya kwamukira kireni ITHATU cia mwanya na cia KIRIU cia ubokori wa MIRIGO ikoretwo igithie na mbere thutha wa meri ino gukinya kireni ici kuma bururi-ini wa China. Agitongoria Mihang'o ya kwamukira kireni ici, murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuramata icukiro cia meri guku bururi-ini Captain William Ruto augite giki ni kionereria kiega kia ukinyaniria wa motungata ma gicukiro giki ikiro-ini cia icukiro guthi gitaru-ini kia Africa.
These cutting edge cranes equipped with advanced technology and capabilities will revolutionize our operations and position the port as a global maritime hub. The procurement of these cranes costed the authority $31.4 million. This underscores our commitment in managing our premier ports, including the port of Mombasa and the port of Lamu.
Na kuhitukira gicukiro-ini giki, WONJORIA gitaru-ini kia ITHERERO nginyagia rugongo rwa bururi ni utanyitwo kwarahuka na njira nene, mabũrũri ma Ethiopia na Sudan ya muhuro makionania unyitanĩri mũrũmu wa kuhuthira gicukiro kia Lamu hari ukui wa mirigo.
The commitment of Ethiopia to use the port of Lamu, they've shown a lot of commitment. I think a month ago, officials from Ethiopia visited the port of Lamu, and they also conducted a corridor survey from Lamu all the way to Moyale. And I also personally conducted a road survey with my chairman also from here all the way to Moyale. And I can say that the corridor is okay.
Gukiriu, Captain William Ruto ni ugite motungata ma gicukiro giki ni matanyitwo kwandaduka na kugacira onjoria na aikari akaunti ya Lamu makiorio mahemberie motungata maya.
What we are telling also the business community is to brace themselves to use this port of Lamu. And as we stand here today also, we've received a lot of inquiries from shipping lines who are major clients in terms on the wish to operationalize this port of Lamu.
Na wona motungata gicukiro-ini giki kia meri kia Lamu mambiriria ni gikuhuthia na kunyihanyihia thabari ndaya cia meri na makiria meri iria nene, kuona ni irihotaga kumba na gucukithia mirigo gicukiro-ini kia Lamu port.
It will be able to assist the shipping lines with the challenges that we have in the Red Sea. Any cargo coming from Asia now, we can do transshipment in the port of Lamu, and it shortens the distance as opposed to going all the way to Salala, then loading on a bigger ship, and then also going around the Cape.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma gicũa-ini kaunti ya Lamu, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathũngũ.